Hello lovelies, welcome to Buzzling the Cakes. If you are new here, big hugs and a warm welcome to the hive. And to my returning Buzzly Bee family, thank you for always buzzing back in. I truly appreciate your love and support. In today's Vlogmas video, we are making a super moist banana bread that will make your whole kitchen smell like Christmas joy. Don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our festive Vlogmas bakes. Alright, let's get right into this delicious recipe. We are starting with our ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter your banana bread will be. Don't mind the look of my mini-sized bananas. I peeled them way earlier before I made the video. Mash them until they are nice and smooth. Next, I added the eggs, brown sugar. I used dark brown sugar here. And then finally, I added the melted margarine. Give that a good mix until everything looks creamy and well combined. Now for our dry ingredients, I added flour, baking powder, baking soda. Mix till combined. Make sure you don't overmix. Just combine until you no longer see flour. At this point, I added my soaked raisins. You can add chocolate biscuit, chocolate, coconut or any yummy add-ins you like. I added the vanilla flavor. Fold them in gently. Pour your batter into a greased loaf pan, filling only about 2/3 of the way so it has space to rise. I added extra raisins to the top. You can add any yummy add-ins you want, or any yummy toppings you want, Bake at 275 degrees C for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before transferring into a baking tray or rack. And there you have it, a soft, moist, festive banana bread. Just look at that soft, moist goodness. It's perfect for Christmas season. I really hope you try this recipe because it's so simple and honestly, it's too delicious to skip this Christmas. If you do make it, let me know how yours turns out in the comments. Tell me what you think about the video and feel free to share your own twist on the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and of course subscribe to Buzzling Bee Cakes so you don't miss any of my Vlogmas videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.